It's probably a little hard to see, but thankfully, because I thought that was coolant, thought I popped a coolant seal or something somehow. Turned out to be, well, it's fixed now, thankfully. Literally this line right here. I don't get how these things are supposed to work. I think maybe I just bought cheap ones and that's why. But they don't lock properly. So I just run it with a hose clamp, and I guess the screw on the hose clamp got backed out. And it just popped off after I shot a massive flame coming down this street. Sputtered out. Tried to start it back up. It kind of, put it, and then it would not move. And so I had to push it. Barely got it up right here. Thankfully, some guy came by, helped me push it all the way up here. I was shitting myself thinking that it was a coolant seal. Thankfully, it is not. It was just a fuel line. And it seems like every time I'm on my way to Mannys to get my exhaust done in some way, shape, or form, I have some sort of fuel mishap. It's so weird. I really don't get it. Oh my god, dude. That was a fucking panic. I'm definitely gonna need to look at that fucking data log to see what all happened. Alright, cool. We're somewhat back to normal now. Alrighty, let's go to Mannys.